Good morning students, I am P. Gomati, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. So in the previous lecture we have seen some basic definitions about your vector calculus, some basic definitions on vectors, scalar vectors, unit vectors, directional derivatives, etc. So in this class we are going to see about divergence of a vector point function. So divergence f vector is nothing but del dot f vector, which is equal to I vector into dou f by dou x plus j vector into dou f by dou y plus k vector into dou f by dou z. So del dot f is a scalar point function. Suppose if you are having f vector to be f1i plus f2j plus f3k, which is a continuously differentiable vector point function, then divergence f vector equal to dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou x. So this divergence f vector will become 0, then the vector is called as solenoidal. So whenever divergence f vector is 0, we call the vector to be solenoidal. So next one, curl of a vector point function. So curl is nothing but the cross product. So suppose if you are having f vector equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k be any continuously differentiable vector point function, then curl or rotation of vector is given by del cross f vector. Curl f vector equal to del cross f vector. So already you know the definition of del. So I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into f vector. So that is determinant I j k dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2 and f3. So del cross f is given by the determinant. So whenever del cross f or curl f vector equal to 0, then it is called as an irrotational vector. So curl f vector equal to 0 also satisfies and said to be f vector to be a conservative force. So if f vector equal to del phi, then f vector is conservative force if curl f vector equal to 0. So based on these definitions, let us see some problems based on the properties. So here prove that curl of del phi equal to 0 or del cross del phi equal to 0. So already we know the definition of curl f or curl phi. So that is nothing but the determinant value. So determinant of I j k dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z of del phi. Del phi is nothing but dou phi by dou x plus dou phi by dou y and dou phi by dou z. So when you cross multiply this determinant and simplify this, you are getting the value to be 0. Similarly for the second one also you can do it as homework. Now let us see the third problem. Find the constant a, b, c so that the vector f vector equal to x plus 2y plus az into I vector plus bx minus 3y minus z into j vector plus 4z plus cy plus 2z into k vector is irrotational. So whenever you are going to find a constant, a condition will be given. So here the given condition is irrotational. So when will you say the f vector to be irrotational? So a vector is said to be irrotational if its cross product, that is del cross f is equal to 0. That is curl f vector equal to 0 is the condition. Now let us find del cross f vector. So already know del cross f is nothing but determinant I j k dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and the function x plus 2y plus az, bx minus 3y minus az, and 4x plus 6y, cy plus 2z. When you expand this determinant, you will be getting I vector into c plus 1 minus j vector into 4 minus a plus k vector into b minus 2. So given f vector is irrotational. So when you equate this to 0, so 0 can be written as 0i plus 0j plus 0k. So on comparing, you get c plus 1 equal to 0 or c equal to minus 1 and 4 minus a equal to 0 or a equal to 4 and b minus 2 equal to 0 or b equal to 2. Similarly, you can do the next problem, that is find a so that the vector a vector equal to ax square minus y square plus x into I vector minus of 2xy plus y into j vector is irrotational. So whenever irrotational is given, you have to find del cross a. So del cross a equal to 0, then you get the constant a vector. So the next problem, which is very important problem, prove that f vector equal to y square cos x plus z cube into I vector plus 2y sin x minus 4 into j vector plus 3x z square k vector is irrotational and find its scalar potential phi. So for doing irrotational, you can easily prove that del cross f equal to 0. I think no need to explain this. Let me move on to the scalar potential. So to find phi, we know f vector is equal to grade phi. So f vector is nothing but the given vector and grade phi is I into dou phi by dou x plus j into dou phi by dou y plus k into dou phi by dou z. So on equating and integrating with respect to x, y, z, we are getting the phi value to be y square into sin x plus z cube into x plus f of yz. Similarly, phi equal to y square into sin x minus 4y plus f of xz plus, and phi equal to xz cube plus f of xy. So with this, I will close this. Thank you.